Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So I hope you guys all had a wonderful Easter. I wanted to share with you these cookies that I made for the Easter holidays, and that's Italian almond cookies. You know, for the longest time, I avoided making these cookies because I thought that they were really complicated to make. My mother wasn't much of a baker. She was an incredible cook. So I just kind of assumed that they were really complicated to make because it was just one of those cookies that we would go grab at an Italian bakery and enjoy them usually for special occasions. So I found a recipe a few years ago and then I attempted them and they were so simple to make. And I wanted to share it with you because it is one of those cookie recipes that you should really have in your repertoire. One bowl recipe, gluten-free. We're using almond flour, we're using egg whites, and we're using a raw cane sugar as well as an organic powdered sugar. But again, you guys can use your 0-calorie sugar if you wish, so they could be a keto-friendly dessert. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these really delicious, show-stopping Italian almond cookies. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and the first thing we're going to do is we are going to toast our almond flour. This is 3 cups of almond flour, not almond meal. We are going to spread this out evenly, and we're going to toast this for about 6 or 7 minutes until it's lightly golden. I do like to mix it halfway through. Now, I have made this recipe with toasted almond flour, and I've also made it without toasting the almond flour, and they're both delicious. So you can do this either way. When it is ready, we are going to decrease the oven temperature to 325, and we are going to grab a large bowl, and we are going to add 3/4 of a cup of raw cane sugar. Again, use whatever sugar you like. I am going to add the zest of 1 lemon. And one thing I love to do is actually mix the lemon zest in with the sugar. And we're just going to use your fingertips to kind of rub the lemon zest with the sugar, and that really releases the oils from the lemon. You can also use orange zest if you like, or you could just omit it completely. And it almost looks like wet sand. Next, we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. And we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla, which I forgot to film, but it's there, as well as a pinch of salt. I'm just going to mix these ingredients together. And I'm going to add our 3 cups of toasted almond flour. And lastly, we're adding 3 egg whites. And we're going to mix all of the ingredients until all of the dry ingredients are well hydrated. I did use liquid egg whites from a carton for this recipe. Just take a look at the measurements at the back of the carton to equal 3 egg whites. If you grab some with your hand and you form it into a ball, it should hold together really well. We are going to grab our baking sheet, and we are going to need 2 extra ingredients. We're going to need 1/2 cup of icing sugar. This is organic icing sugar. Use whatever icing sugar you like. And we're going to need some raw almonds. So this recipe, I'm using 1.5 tablespoon ice cream scoop. You can either do 1 tablespoon or 1.5 tablespoons. So if you do 1 tablespoon, you'll probably yield about 25 cookies. If you're using the 1.5 like I am here, you'll probably get about 17 to 18 cookies. And we're just going to scoop them and add them to our baking sheet. Once you're done, you're gonna roll them into balls and we're going to coat them with the icing sugar. And we're gonna do that with every single one. Try to space them out about an inch apart before baking. They don't spread out too much. Lastly, we are going to add 1 almond in the center. We're going to push it down about halfway down the cookie. If you notice that the cookie is cracking, don't worry about that. That's the beauty of these cookies. And you want the wider side of the almond pushed down. We're ready to bake. 325 for 15 minutes until they're nice and golden brown. And you can check on the bottom, and that's a nice golden brown. Enjoy our Italian almond cookies. Gluten-free, crispy, chewy, and absolutely delicious. This recipe's a keeper. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these Italian almond cookies, let me know in the comments below. I will include the measurements and ingredients in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.